All right, you want to make a Jambook? We are going to go through that today. I'm Wendy Inkley with Jambooks and I do customer service. And today we're just going to go through the whole process. Basically sign up, set up, and best practices. So let's go. Go to jambooks.com and log in. Okay, we're here at jambooks.com and this is where we start. You can decide if you want 4, 6, or 12 books a year. So you would get a book quarterly, every other month, or every single month. You can do, if you choose every quarter to get a book, $19.99 a month. Let's do 6. We're gonna do 6. We're gonna pay annually. It saves us money. All right, so if you haven't ever signed in before, don't have an account with us yet, just hit create account. Okay, here we are. We're gonna continue, and first thing we do is pick the color of our cover. And then when would you like to have your texts come? I want mine on Sunday at, let's say 7 p.m. And the name on the spine, we're gonna do Test Family. You can do whatever your last name is. Okay, just to confirm, we would like 6 books a year, paying annually to save us some money, and we're gonna check out. All right, you can do this part on your own. See you on the other side. All right, we are in success. So we have the name of our book, and look, we now have a phone number that we can text all of our people to help us make this book. So I'll show you how to do that first. So honestly, you can do it 2 different ways. Notice I'm already a collaborator here. You can invite a collaborator by entering their name and their phone number. And the other way is just to text them from your phone. Here I go to my phone and I see that I've been sent a message. Welcome, Jam Boss. We're so excited to jam with you. This is your exclusive Jambooks phone number that will be used to send and receive texts from you and your friends to build your Jambook. Just share this phone number with your friends and have them text Jam to the number and they'll build their Jambook with you. Okay, so here we have this number. I'm going to go up here, click on it, and then if I come here and hold, I'm going to copy that number, and then I'll just go to a text thread that we already have going in our family. And I'm going to send them a message. That just pastes in the phone number. So then I come to the beginning here. Okay, and then you're just going to type a message saying, we're going to make a Jambook together. Text the word JAM to this number, and you'll get all the information you need. Let's go. All right, it has been sent. I just got a message from the system telling me as a Jam Boss to reply with my pictures and memories to start adding to our Jambook. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So you'll come down here and you're going to reply. If you would like to send a picture, it'll be here on the left. With that plus sign, you're going to hit Photos and simply choose the last photo, whatever's going on in your life right now, and you're just going to, well, you can choose. Do you want to comment about it? This is cute. Isabel and Lucy and Libby. And if I send them together, they'll obviously be in the book together. Now, something I'd like to show you that will be best practices now that you're all set up is make this conversation, this text thread, something that you pin. So first I'm going to come up and click on this contact icon and I'm going to choose create new contact. And I'm going to call it Jambook test and then hit the check mark. So now we have this icon that says Jambook text. So it's a contact in my phone. So now I'm going to go, and if you will also pin it. So here it is, Jambook text right here. If you'll press and hold that line and hit pin, now right here at the bottom left, you can have up to 9 of these. You can click on it anytime you get a cute picture and you're like, oh, this is so easy. I'm just going to send in a photo. That was us hanging out last night. It was so fun. You can type anything here. Okay. And you can see that the system is just teaching me how to do this. From now on, the messages you get will just be, got it. It's going into your Jambook. But the first 2 or 3 times that you text in, you'll be taught. And so will everyone else who helps make the book. So you don't even have to teach. You just have to hope that your family will read the text prompts. Okay, so let's go back and see how many people have joined our jam. We're gonna refresh. It might make you log back in depending on how long you were away. Here we are in our collaborators. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy some people have joined. So you saw that I had invited my husband via text and he replied. The way I know that he replied is it says that he's active. Right here you'll notice the next person down, and I'm not sure who it is, but one of my cute kids, says consent. So you know that they're not totally ready to go yet. They actually need to reply to the text that says, can we send you messages? Can we text with you? They need to reply yes. So if you have someone who's like, I'm not getting my messages, look right here. They probably say consent. They just need to read the instructions. It says they need to reply yes. Now let's go look at our weekly prompt. Remember, I chose to get it every Sunday, and that's going to come every week. But if I'm just like, oh, I don't want to wait till March 1st, I'm too excited, I can go and I can edit this, and I can say, Jambooks, I'm so excited. Please share a picture of what you have been up to. You actually don't have to edit this if you want to. I'm just so excited. I want to send it like now. So today is the 24th. I want to send it today. I'm just too excited. I'm going to send it tonight. So I'm hoping everyone will join by tonight and they will get this by 7 p.m. I'm going to save that. Now, it's going to say, I'm so excited. Please share a picture of what you've been up to every single week until you change this. So once Sunday comes, if you're like, okay, everyone got this, and I want it to start coming every Sunday again, then you can go in and edit. So whatever you put here will get sent every single week until you edit it. So you can send a message anytime, but the next one will come 7 days from that day with this exact message. So, okay, so we know that that weekly prompt is going to come tonight. And we've got our collaborators. So now it is time to either sit back and wait, or I can start sending some pictures on my phone. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I'm back here on my phone, and you can see that I still have this pinned, so I know all the information about my Jambook is gonna be on this same thread. The nice thing is I'm only seeing the pictures and the messages I'm sending. You won't see everyone's pictures, and neither will those who are making the book. But whenever you want to go in and check out what they've sent, you can. Okay, I'm going to send in a few more pictures so I can show you how to edit and if I accidentally send in a duplicate. And remember, you want to send them one at a time so your phone doesn't compress them too much, because they will. I'm also going to show you the difference between sending in a vertical and a horizontal picture. And if you want to say something about a picture that you're sending, you can do it right in the message. Love these guys. They went and visited my cute daughter in New York. Okay. Now let's go back and check it out. I can do that just right here on my phone. You can go back to your desktop, but I'll show you how to do it right on your phone. So you're going to go to jambooks.com and log in. Now this picture on the cover is the very first one I sent in. The picture that you are going to have on the cover of your actual book, you can choose when the book is 48 hours from being printed. But for now, it's the first one that was there. I'm going to go click on Manage to show you. Here's my collaborator list. Looks like it's the same. We have me, my husband, and a child who still needs to reply yes. You can invite any collaborators here. But let's go over to the weekly prompt so you can see how it looks. I'm so excited. Please share a picture of what you've been up to. And that is going to come today at 7 o'clock. Okay, now let's go back to Jams. And we're going to choose this button with Paintbrush Edit. And this will show you the pictures that have come in. All right, so here's the name of our book, the phone number, and the dates that will be included in this book, February to April. We're in what you see here is the response log. So you can read the information here, but it basically tells you that each Jambook can be 200 responses because there can be 100 pages in every Jambook. So an image or a text, as they add up to 200, that's what will be in your book, unless you don't fill up your book. But do. I'm going to make sure that you fill up your book today. Right now it says that we currently have 9 total responses. Can you see that? And don't worry about this set test logs button. You won't have it. You can see down here that this picture will be on the same page as Cute Isabel and Lucy. So that is, these will be on the same page. The next page is going to have a cute picture of us and some friends and what we typed. Now, if I want to edit what I typed here, I click Edit Caption, okay, and hit Save. Now that has updated the caption, and oh, look, I have a duplicate picture. These two are the same. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to hold it, and I'm going to drag it up here to our trash can. Yes, I do want to delete it. All right, we're on to our next picture. Now you'll see how this picture is horizontal and this one is vertical. Let me show you what it looks like in a Jambook so you can choose. Here we go. So in a Jambook, here is a vertical picture and here's a horizontal picture. So you can just decide if you like that. And there's going to be a variety, and don't worry about it. But as you're taking pictures, I have just started to take more vertical pictures because they do use the page, I just think, more beautifully. Horizontal pictures aren't bad, but there's the difference, vertical, horizontal. So let's just say I want to just get rid of the one that was horizontal. Okay, so now we just have the vertical picture there. And this button right here will show you your book as the whole layout. So picture 1 and 2 would be on page 1, and page 1 is over here. So as you look at it at your phone, know that the first 2 will be these 2. Okay, here we are back in our book. Notice that image 1 and 2 will be on that very first layout. And if you want to see it better, just click on this button. There's 2 tabs, one that has a small view and one that has the whole book view. So let's go back to the small view, and you can just go image by image and edit anything that you need to edit. Okay, so let's go back to the book view. And if I wanted to drag this first picture to be down here, I could do that. So then that threw everything off, and it's like, an easy way to just get it back in the order that you want is to put a picture back there. Obviously, none of that makes sense. So we'll undo that move and put these cute girls back at the beginning. But that's just a really easy way to move your pictures around. All right, we're about done. You now know how to sign up for a Jambook, how to set it up with your people, go into your response log and delete any duplicates, edit anything needful, reorder your pictures. Now, the last thing is just sit back, relax, and enjoy. If you've set up your book to get for a year, you'll get a book every 3 months. Now, how does that work? With 48 hours notice, you'll get a text. Okay, so if I get this text and it says your Jambook is ready to be printed, we'll send it to the printer in 48 hours. If you want to finalize your cover or revise any responses, click here. So I would click on that. I could go in and choose a different cover color, and it's then time to select the photo that you want on the front. So let's choose this one and confirm. All right, make sure you get your family to fill up these Jambooks. If you go to your response log and you're only at, I'm only at 7 and I need to be at 200, that's when you are going to reach out and say, hey guys, we've got 48 hours, let's fill this book up. As a reminder, send in your pictures one at a time. If you send them in multiple at a time, your phone will make them, compact. Send. So you see how quickly you really can fill your book up. Okay, let's go check this out. Let's go to our response log. And there's all those pictures I just sent in. Again, one at a time. But just have fun with this. You'll have a beautiful book. You can see what page they'll be on, and you'll capture these memories as you live them. That's the best advice I have for you. Capture these memories as they happen. Don't wait till that Sunday message even. Just send it in. All right, that's it. Hopefully that answered any of the questions that you have about making a Jambook. They are simple, but I know it's a change of how we collect our memories. So these books are going to just start showing up at your house either every quarter, every 2 months, or every month, depending on what you signed up for. And starting now is just the best idea. So start capturing your best memories with your best people, and you won't be sorry. You'll get moments like this captured. All right, see you next time. If you have any questions, reach out to help@jambooks.com on email, and I got you. See you.